It's time to get zany artsy, time to create like crazy. Draw, paint, sculpt a day with Zany Artsy. It's time to get zany artsy, time to create like crazy. With your host Zany, we say voila, it's Zany Artsy. Zany Artsy. Zany Artsy.
Staring at my mugshot. Don't be staring at my mugshot. Don't be staring at my mugshot. Don't be staring at my mugshot. I'm fierce. My mugshot. I'm fierce. My mugshot. I'm cute. My mugshot. Don't be staring at my mugshot. Welcome to another episode of Zany Artsy. It's me, your favorite host. Yes, Zanois. Hold for applause. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Indeed, thank you. Okay, stop. Anyways, so in today's episode, if you have not full-blown figured it out yet, yes, we are doing something with the face. Oh, cuteness galore. Can't. So, what we're going to be doing with the face this time around, for the last episode, yeah, we showed the full face experience. But this time around, we're going to be just showing just the side. That's all we're going to be showing. I could basically host the entire front part just looking this direction, but then you will miss all this lovely eye contact. But anyways, so today we're going to be doing the profile face drawing. Yes, mugshots across the board. Just the side of the face, nothing else but the side. We're doing that today. So yes, so first things first. Oh yeah, I gotta say, welcome to my new watchers and welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Thanks for staying and keeping this channel strong. I do all this for y'all. Seriously, I crawl on my bed. Like, I could have been sleeping, idling. My Netflix got renewed finally. Yeah, it was my own money, but that's besides the point. Anyways, so we're going to be getting to that today. So, of course, you're going to need everybody's favorite thing. Paper! Yes! You're going to need your paper. You're gonna need your paper. So yes, get your paper and of course your pencil. You're gonna need a pencil. Make sure it's sharp. And also your eraser and your sharpener. Because we are gonna be doing the profile, aka the sideways view, aka the mugshot of the face today. So, I ain't gonna keep y'all long because I ain't gonna lie. It's time to chill. I just want to go idle so badly because that, yes, sweet little JPS, you knocked off my electricity. I've been sitting here for a whole overnight with no coolings. That was torture. Absolute. Anyways, as I always say, that I know you all wait for it because it's everybody's favorite thing to do. So we're gonna just go and let's get to it! Woo! First, we start off with an oval that is similar to an egg shape. Then using your eyes, though you can also use a ruler for this step, we separate the oval into two halves vertically. Then using your eyes again, you find half of the oval horizontally, then draw a line right across. Now we have a top half and a bottom half. The bottom half of the oval is where we will be concentrating on. We will now find half of the bottom half of the oval and draw a line right across. Then, concentrating on your new bottom half, separate it in half as well. Now you have 3 horizontal lines that represent the eye line, where the eyes will fall, the nose line, where the nose would end, and the mouth line, where the mouth would be. The oval now acts as how the vertical line was used in the front view of the face. The vertical line in the center now represents the separation of the front of the head from the back of the head. First, we will create a slightly curved line that begins a bit above the eye line and ends a little below the eye line. Then, starting from the end of the slight curve, we make a curvy letter L that attaches to the nose line. After this, extend the mouth line outwards. From the nose line to the mouth line, draw a curvy letter L. Then attach a small C slightly below the mouth line. Then attach another long curvy L to the end of the C with a slightly slant line going towards the center vertical line. You can make small dots to separate the facial half of the oval into half. To draw the sideways version of the eye, think of a pizza slice, as that is the basic shape of the side eye. Make sure it joins in a point on the eye line. Draw a small triangle on top of the eye, also meeting in a point. You can add an eyelash for fun. This represents the eyelid. Draw a curved line from the top to the bottom of the eye. That is the iris. Now that you have drawn the eye, place the eyebrow above the eye, going from thick to thin. In the iris, add a small circle on the inside, then shade around it. That represents a speckle of light. Now to the nose. You make a small reverse C on the nose line. Then you add a small teardrop to represent the nostril and shade it in. The mouth is actually a broken heart turned on its side. Yes, shocking, isn't it? The ear is the height from the eye line to the nose line. From this angle, the entire ear is visible. Once the ear is complete, you can attach the front section of the hairline, starting from mid-forehead. Draw a curve at the back of the head area going slightly outward, then inward, then curve it going outwards again below the nose line and draw a line downwards for the neck to back region. Complete the drawing by adding the hairline at the back of the ear, attaching it to the neckline. The front neckline is in line with the space between the back of the eye and the center vertical line. Don't make it too narrow and don't make it too wide. Once this is complete, erase all the guidelines, and if you somehow erase a few lines, just put them back. Then complete the drawing by shading in the hair. Here is your completed profile drawing of the face. Thank you for watching. Thank you for drawing with me. And so now we're going to move over to everyone's favorite little segment. Well, it is one of my favorite segments. It's where I get to showcase the artworks of my viewers, basically. So, yes, it is our favorite little part. We call it Little Artsies. So I'm going to be showcasing those works. But if you want your work to be showcased on my channel, it's pretty simple. For the love of God, send it into this email right here. You see that email? Right here. Send any work that you want on my channel to this email right here. That's all you got to do. Right here. Alright, so let us get to that lovely little segment of Little Artsies. So yes, remember, if you want to feature, put your first name and your last name on it so I know who the work belongs to in the first place. It's as simple as that. Okay? So, oh yeah, I just remember. Sorry, brain fart. Hit it! Carice Williams, featuring Butterfly Girl. Justin Locke, Leaves. Joanna Brown, New World. Krista Lewis, Mango Time. Chad Wright, Zumo the Volcano Man. Raheem Buchanan, Sunset Paradise. Shannon Williams, Earth Boy. Catherine Scott, The Gift. Alexia Marie Williams, They Call It Country. And our big little artist, Grace Dewar, doing Young Girl. Thank you for watching another episode of Zany Artsy. Yes, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that way you can see any more cool zany content that I'm going to release. So yes, as I always say, keep safe, wash your hands, don't cough in public, that is, and just use this time wisely because you might be here for a while. I didn't say nothing, I'm just saying. Keep it artsy, keep it zany, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully next week. Not sure. Not quite sure. But I'm going to try. I'm going to do good to y'all, okay? I'm going to try. Anyways, I'll see you next time for another wonderful episode of Zany Artsy. I'm your host, Zanwa, and I'm signing out. Bye to you, my viewers. Bye. Mwah.
It's time to get zany artsy, time to create like crazy. Draw, paint, sculpt a day with Zany Artsy. It's time to get zany artsy, time to create like crazy. With your host and one who say voila, it's Zany Artsy. Zany Artsy. Zany Artsy.